Welcome to InnovEngine. Explore the future of mobility. The Embraer Pulse Concept merges luxury with flight. Odys Aviation leads hybrid air travel. Alauda Airspeeder Mk4 races in the sky. UDX Airwolf redefines VTOL design. Lazzarini Linux is a flying supercar dream. Hover Drone Tax brings urban air taxis to life. Stay tuned for more. The Embraer Pulse Concept is an ambitious leap into the future of personal and urban mobility. Unveiled as part of Embraer's vision for 2070, the concept blends aviation technology with automotive design in a way never seen before. At the heart of the Pulse is a high-tech transparent pod, a fully autonomous passenger capsule that can seamlessly transition between air and ground modes. This capsule docks with an electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft for fast, silent urban flights, then transfers directly onto a smart electric chassis for road travel without the passenger ever needing to disembark. The entire system is designed around efficiency, safety, and comfort, featuring AI-driven navigation, biometric security, adaptive lighting, and 360-degree visibility through an ultra-strong transparent shell. Odys Aviation is redefining regional air travel with its cutting-edge hybrid electric VTOL aircraft, built to drastically reduce travel time between cities while minimizing environmental impact. Designed to fly up to 750 miles with a combination of electric and sustainable aviation fuel propulsion, the aircraft takes off and lands vertically like a helicopter, eliminating the need for traditional runways. This enables it to operate from city centers, heliports, or even remote locations, bypassing congested airports entirely. With speeds exceeding 300 miles per hour and near-silent electric lift fans, Odys Aviation targets short-haul routes currently dominated by cars and traditional jets, offering a quieter, cleaner, and far more efficient alternative. Inside, the cabin is optimized for comfort and productivity, making it ideal for business travelers and high-speed regional commutes. The Alauda Airspeeder Mk4 is the world's first manned flying race car, bringing the thrill of Formula One into the skies. Developed in Australia by Alauda Aeronautics, the Mk4 is an electric VTOL aircraft designed specifically for high-speed aerial racing. It reaches top speeds over 225 miles per hour, powered by a 1,000-kilowatt hydrogen turbo generator, and equipped with cutting-edge flight control systems, including LiDAR and radar for precision tracking and collision avoidance. With a sleek, aerodynamic frame and a lightweight carbon fiber body, the Mk4 offers unmatched agility in three-dimensional racing circuits. Designed for remote and piloted modes, it opens the door to a new era of competitive motorsport where pilots race not on tracks, but through the sky. The UDX Airwolf is a next-generation personal eVTOL aircraft designed to bring sci-fi mobility into everyday life. Created by United Dynamics and Xpeng Aero HT, the Airwolf blends futuristic aesthetics with practical flight capabilities, aiming to serve as an air vehicle for both private use and emergency response. With vertical takeoff and landing functionality, it eliminates the need for runways and can operate in tight urban environments. Its compact, aerodynamic frame is powered by multiple electric rotors, delivering quiet and stable flight while maintaining zero-emissions operation. The interior is built for 1 or 2 passengers, featuring an intelligent cockpit with autonomous navigation, obstacle detection, and real-time connectivity. The Lazzarini Linux is a bold concept that fuses the elegance of Italian supercar design with the revolutionary possibilities of flight. Created by Lazzarini Design Studio, known for their avant-garde luxury visions, the Linux is a flying hypercar equipped with vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, aiming to blur the lines between road and sky. Its sleek, aerodynamic body draws inspiration from both aerospace and automotive engineering, featuring an ultra-lightweight carbon fiber shell, retractable wings, and jet-inspired propulsion. The Hover Drone Tax is a futuristic air taxi concept designed to revolutionize short-distance urban transport. Built around a compact, multi-rotor electric VTOL platform, it offers clean, quiet, and efficient airborne mobility for crowded cities and megacities. With autonomous flight capabilities, the drone taxi eliminates the need for a pilot, allowing passengers to book rides on demand through a mobile app and travel directly from rooftop to rooftop or designated vertiports. Its cabin is designed for 2 to 4 passengers, featuring minimalist interiors, safety restraints, real-time route displays, and emergency override systems. The all-electric propulsion ensures zero emissions and near-silent operation,